What's up? It's Peanut of Finger Circus, and today I'm going to show you how to use the click function on the Fidget Cube. What you want to do, start with it out facing this way, take your opposite hand and wrap the pointer around the middle finger. It doesn't have to be tight like mine, as long as it gets there. Then you want to wrap the pinky around the ring finger. Once again, doesn't have to be tight like mine, just as long as it sits there. So you have this alien looking hand. Not like this, but like this. Once you have that, you just use them to hit the buttons. If you hear a click, you're doing it right. If you don't hear a click, you're probably hitting the outside circles. After you hit that a few times, get your stress out. You want to use your pointer and your ring and your middle finger. Slide them behind here, like so. You grab it with your thumb. You open these two so that you can rotate. Then you just grab the cube again and release. Now I'm going to do that whole thing about 2 or 3 times because that's a little difficult and there's a lot of steps to it. So you start out here, wrap, wrap, click, 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 unwrap to the 2 fingers, go behind, grab it with the thumb, rotate, come back. One more time, a little slow. Boom, boom, click, click, click. Grab it, rotate, come back. Now I'm going to do it normal speed. If you've stuck with me this long, you should be able to do it normal speed. Boom. That's the click.
Smyths Toy Superstores.
If I were a toy